Kabajan, Niapila, Ratsum Lagut Fisher, Bafara Sakaya, Ratsum Lagut Fisher, Matot, Jana said to win. 10 October Matot, he had tested from Keris, Erastinberg, Bafara Sakai, but the 3 years driving, 2 years was side deep, but to want the richest pay, not your pay, the Kaslam, but the PDP will expire within 3 months of Bafara Sakai, their passport year for now, with 2025, 10 October, Bafara Sakai, Erastinberg, and Funumoda did it as a court for the experience than 3 years, Marushele Kaya, Bafara Sakai, Babasan Kulumil, Netemena, Ikram Keris, Ia test, 10 October, 2025, Erastinberg, but it's first.